Hey YouTube, welcome back guys. So I know it's been a long time since I unboxed this, but unfortunately the charging port for the first one that I got, it was loose and somehow it came apart. So anyway, I'm going to charge this unit, and then I'm going to teach you guys on how to install the app and set up everything before we could ride on this EV bike from Jetson. This is the Jetson boat. So I got a brand new charger right here, right now. This is a Jetson. And once I plug this in, you should get the red LED on here. And then once it's fully charged, this LED is going to turn into green. So let's go and then connect this together. But somehow with this new one, I just test ride it, and it seems faster than the first one that I got. So I'm not sure why, unless the one that I got was customer return, but it looks pretty new, except the charging port that was combo power loose. So alright, so as you can see, the red LED just came on after I plug it in. So we're going to let it charge fully. It has 3 bars right now. So when it's fully charged, there's a digital display on your next to your throttle on the right hand side, and it should display 4 bars when it's completely fully charged. So we're going to be back, and then once it's fully charged, then we're going to continue with the guide on how to install the app after that. Alright, so after you fully charged, we're going to unplug it from the plug. And then we're going to power on this power right here. This is the power button. So as you can see, it shows 4 bars right here, right now. You're going to go to your App Store or your Google Play Store, and then you're going to go search Ride Jetson. Alright, so it'll be this one right here. You're going to click on it. So since I already downloaded already, you're going to click on download, and then after you download it, you're going to click on open, and you need to create your account with your email and password, okay? Or else it's not going to let you log in and use this app. So since I opened mine already, since I downloaded mine already, I'm just going to click on the app, okay? And now you're going to go to click on the Bluetooth. Be sure your Bluetooth is turned on. And then you're going to hit the Bluetooth. And there you go. You see the boat. You're going to click on it. And then you're going to ask you to enter the password. The default password is 6 zeros. So you're going to click on that. And then enter 0000000. And then confirm. So now you it says, please bind your device. I guess that means sync or connect. Please enter the password to bind your device. So Bluetooth password probably 60. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. So over here it shows how many miles per hour. And then you could also it shows you the battery level. It's not quite fully charged, but since it has 4 bars, but I unplugged it before that so I could continue with this tutorial. And also you could click over here, it shows you the map. of your location, and then you could do the track right. You can start, hit the start key, and then show you the top speed, the distance, the current time, and then average speed. And then if you want to stop, you can stop it or pause it. And then you can click over here. That's your profile. And then it should show you the distance, total distance, and then the top speed. And then activity, if you click on activity. But since I haven't write this yet, it is brand new, so it's not going to show you anything. And then personal record, it will show you top speed, average speed, longest ride distance, average ride distance, and then longest ride time, average ride time. So you want to go ahead and click on this setting icon gear right here on the upper right. And right here is allow you to adjust your speed. And then you can switch the kilometer. Right now it's mile per hour. Okay. You can rename your bike, change the Bluetooth password, change your lock password. Hopefully somebody didn't mess with it. So with this, set the maximum speed. Right now it's set at 12 miles per hour only. So I could set it to, it says 18, but I'm not sure why it shows the highest speed is 19 miles per hour. So I'm going to press OK. So if you don't have this app, it's just going to run on 12 miles per hour. And then my device system self-check. You can also do the product registration. It's going to take you to the website and then you're going to register it. Or you can click on About and then Help, Frequent Asked Question, or Customer Service. So now we set it on the highest speed. I'm going to let it fully charge, or we could go outside and then do a test ride. Okay? So we're going to be back. All right, YouTube. So we're going to do a test ride real quick. This is the power button, headlight switch on and off. We don't need that one right now because it's daytime. And then this is the bell. And this is the meter right here. And we got the cruise control right here. This is the throttle. So let's go ahead and well, I should bring my app to go with it, but anyway. Yeah, let me go get my other phone that has an app, and I should do the screen recording. I'm gonna film at the same time. Hopefully I don't crash. Anyway, let me go get the smartphone and do this recording on the app as well. It's going too fast. Wow. Go, 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 I'm faster. No brakes.
Full throttle. Yeah, YouTube. Hope you guys like it. Anyway, be sure to hit that subscribe button, turn on that bell for notification, or drop it in the comments down below. Thank you for watching. See you guys on the next one. Like always. I cannot do the peace sign, so I'm gonna crash if I do it. So anyway, peace out.